This tutorial is an errata to the Thinking Particles Max script tutorial part 1. In that tutorial I've made some mistakes and I'll try to correct them in this one. It's about the Texturemap Color helper and the materials needed to assign a map to the particles. The setup of the scene is the same like in the other tutorial, so we'll pass through it very fast. Create a plane and increase the length and width segments values. From the modifiers list choose Poly select and apply it to the plane 01. Select the vertex subobject level, and select all the vertexes from the plane. Write down the number of vertexes. This will be the number of particles we will need to create. In this case is 5551. Create a Thinking Particles system. Select it and open the user interface. Create a new group and name it Verts. Create a new dynamic set and name it Verts to Part. From the operators drop-down list choose Generator, and add a position-borne operator to the set. From the group drop-down list choose Verts Group. Enable pistol shot and set the number of particles to 5551. Increase the lifespan to 100 frames. From the position helpers add a surface position helper to the set. From the standard helpers add a node helper to the set. Link it to the surface position helper. Click on the Pick Node button and select the plane from the scene. Link the position-borne operator to the surface position helper. Add a Texturemap Color to the set and link it to the surface position helper. From the standard operators add a position operator to the set, and link it to the position-borne operator and to the surface position helper. Add a standard shape operator to the set, and link it to the position-borne operator. Enable the vertex color input, and link it to the color output of the Texturemap Color. Close the UI. Open the Materials Editor. I have my renderer set to Mental Ray. I need to change it to the Scanline renderer. Open the Render Setup dialog and do that. Create a standard material. Click on the Diffuse Map button, and choose the checker map. Make sure the Texture Radio button is selected and mapping is set to Explicit Map Channel. Disable Use Real World Scale, and set tiling to 5 for U, and 10 for V. Go up one level and drag the map you have just created to a new material slot as an instance. We will need it for the Texturemap Color helper. Create a new standard material and click the Diffuse Map button. Choose a vertex color map. Leave all the settings as they are. We'll use this material for the standard shape operator. Open the TPUI. Select the Texturemap Color helper, and from the material editor drag the second map to the map slot. Enable the preview to see the map. Select the standard shape operator. From the drop-down list choose Sphere. From the material editor drag the vertex color material to the standard shape material slot. Close the TPUI. Select Plane 01. Open Material Editor and assign the first material to the plane. Disable Real-World Map Size. Render to see the changes. As you can see, the color does stick to each particle now. But what if we want to assign a bitmap material? Will it work? Open the Material Editor and create a new standard material. Click the Diffuse Map button. Choose Bitmap and browse after an image. Disable Use Real-World Scale and set the tiling to 1. Go up one level and drag the map to a new material slot as an instance. Create a new standard material and assign a vertex color map to the diffuse map. Select the plane 01 and assign it the new material. Open the thinkingParticles UI. Select the Texturemap Color helper. From the Material Editor, drag the second map as an instance. Select the Standard Shape operator and assign it the Vertex Color Map material. Render to see the changes. As you can see, the particles render to black. This seems to be a bug in thinkingParticles. A workaround is to assign a different renderer. Open the Render Setup dialog and assign another rendered. Choose Final Render Stage 1. Render the scene. Now all renders fine. If you want, increase the number of particles and render again. This concludes the tutorial. I hope it helped and it clarified the last one. Thank you for downloading this. Visit www.community.ro for more.